First, I will show you how I made a unicorn ball. You will need some old baubles, clay. I have this one that needs 10 to 15 minutes baking in the oven, and different colored papers. I will start by making the horn. I chose these two colors, and first I need to make it warm, and I thought it would be fitted to have a unicorn placemat to roll the clay on. So then I will start rolling them with my hands. Hey, this one looks like a carrot. I will press a bit more towards one end to make it pointier, and I will do the same thing for the other one. Make them the same length and twist them together until I have the shape that I like. Then I will make some flowers, and I have here a piece of paper, but you can also use bows for gift wrapping. I will make tiny squares and leave them double like this. They don't have to be perfect. Then I will fold them a few times, and I will cut them different sizes and shapes. After I cut all of them, I will unfold them and place it one on top of each other. And I have some different pins here that I will push through the middle of the papers to make them look like flowers and keep all the papers together, but you can also use glue or a needle, thread and beads. I found these glitter stickers and I want to make ears out of them. I have two different colors for the inner and outer ear, and you can cut them whatever shape you want. And then I will stick the smaller one on the bigger one. Now it's time for putting together our unicorn. First I will attach this festive cord so we can hang it in the tree. Then I will use glue to attach the horn, but I ended up using a hot glue gun to put everything in place because it was more sturdy that way. Then put the flowers in place, the ears, I also have a sticker paper from a magazine that I randomly received in the mail, and I will cut out the eyes off camera because it's too much work. And there you have it, a pretty unicorn bauble. The next one is a llama, and I use the same method as the unicorn to make the ears, eyes and mouth. And all I need to do now is making hair out of two different yarns. I'll wrap them around my fingers, take another thread and fix everything in place, and then cut on the other side. These hairs are too long, so I will give our llama a haircut, and I will take out some threads because I think there are too many. I will fix this in the back, and done! Our llama is ready for the Christmas tree. The next one is really easy. I have this clear bowl from chocolate or something like that, and all I will do is put these tiny colorful balls inside, and done! Now you have a big colorful bauble. You can also use glue and glitter, or you can fill it with white cotton and make it look like snow, or draw a face on it and make it look like a snowman. For the next one we will need a clear bowl and a map wrapping paper. I will cut some wrapping paper and fit it nicely inside, and on this side I want to draw a reindeer and a sled. Not my best work, I would say, but it's okay, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can draw a Santa or a snowman or whatever you want. And don't worry if you didn't cut enough paper, you can always add some more. And done!